Hello guys, I hope you all people are doing well. So, fourth state of matter, what is it? Till now we have studied in schools only three states of matter, that is solid, liquid and gas. So now what is the fourth state of matter? Or I am talking about a fiction, or is it a part of reality? It is really approved by the science, or I am just talking about a myth. We will see this and I will give you some proofs of what I am talking about. So, let's start. Our ancient knowledge gave this idea that there are 5 koshas in existence. What are these koshas? The lower of that kosha is the Annamaya kosha. What is this? What is the difficult name I am talking about? It is the physical body. Physical body, what we see, what we really can see, what is visible, that is the physical body. And attached to the physical body, attached to the Annamaya kosha, there is the Pranayama kosha. What is the Pranayama kosha? We don't know that, and that is the actual secret. Here lies the actual secret, that in English Pranayama kosha is called the energy body. Yes, in layman English this is called the energy body, and in Sanskrit it is called the Pranayama kosha. And it has the another name that is approved by the modern science. What is it? It is called the bioplasmic body. So actually what science approves here? Science approves here that plasma is the fourth state of matter, and energy body is also called the bioplasmic body. In modern science it is called the bioplasmic body. That's why it is called the fourth state of matter. And yes, it is really a fact. You can check it on the Google that it is really the fourth state of matter. So till now we are unaware of the energy body. What role does it play? And what actually is? I have gave the names. I have gave 2-3 names of energy body. But what actually is? We know the work of the physical body, but we don't really know what is the work of the energy body. We have to understand what actually is energy body and how does it operates, so we can understand it in a more better way. We can feel it in a more better way. So I just said that physical body and energy body, they both are attached to each other. Like this, they are very much attached to each other. So physical body has its own power of healing, and energy body does not have its own power of healing. So what is it? Actually, ever you notice the fact that if you don't apply medicines on your wound, what happens to your wound? It gets healed after some time. It takes time, but it gets healed. That means physical body has its own power of healing. Medicines only faster that process of healing. But physical body has own power of healing. It has cells, it has a very well built immune system. But energy body does not have this. Plus we cannot see the energy body until we try to. So now we will see this. We will see the fact that how does energy body really gets healed and how to see the energy body. So here we will going to do some experiment to see and to feel the energy. This is the proof which I was talking about earlier, that is really energy exist or not. You have to follow some steps with me. Okay, so you have to sit in a silent place for this, because you really have to concentrate and you do not have to distracted by the other people or by the other things. So first step is that you have to press the center of your palms few times, or let's say 3 times. 1, 2, 3. The next hand, 1, 2, 3. So the next step is that you have to keep your hands in a facing position at each other at your chest level, few inches apart, and this should be in a facing position. And while this, you have to concentrate between these two hands. Main part is the concentration, and the main part is that you really do not have to imagine anything. The key is do not have to imagine anything to feel the energy. Okay, so my hands are in a facing position, and while doing this you have to breathe. you have to follow rhythmic breathing with me. What is the rhythmic breathing? I'm going to tell you about this. That you keep your hands like this and then inhale, hold, exhale, hold, inhale, hold, exhale, hold, inhale, hold, exhale, hold. So this is the rhythmic breathing, and while focusing on your hands, focusing between your hands, you have to breathe like this only. You have to inhale and exhale few times, and while doing this you have to concentrate, and after few times of inhaling and exhaling you have to move your hands like this in upward and in backward direction. You have to move your hands slowly, and while doing this you will feel that your hands are really warm, and sometimes it is warm and sometimes there is a repulsion. There is a repulsion between your hands, and what I feel is that there is a ball between my two hands and I am playing with this ball. This is like this, I am currently feeling this. So this is really interesting, and this is really very much interesting to feel this. So you will try this and you will do this and you will practice this, and then you will going to tell me that did you feel the energy or not, actually energy exists or not. So bye bye, take care.